Hey YouTube, I wanted to do a quick review of these Rubberific rubber mats that I have in my backyard. Um, I wanted to put something outside. I actually have two different sets of them, one over in front of my hot tub, and I have another set sitting on my concrete. Now you can use these on different surfaces. I've seen people put them on top of grass and things like that. In my case, I literally just have it on top of the concrete, but let me show you these. First off, let's pull this off. That's the bottom of it. Some of them have a pattern on the bottom, so you could flip them either way. These are supposed to look like brick. It rained last night, so I got some water under here. Basically, these, nice and easy, they come up and they just lie down. If you have a level surface, they hold up pretty good. Now, I put these down, they've been here, I think, 2 years now. I actually added to this. The ones on the end are a little bit different of a color because I actually just added them this year. But in general, these hold up pretty good. They do curl a little bit. If you can see that, they curl slightly on the ends, but except for that, they're really they're quick and easy. You can put them down anywhere on almost any level surface and they'll hold up pretty well. And once you do that, they're really no maintenance, no muss, no fuss. And you know, it's a pretty good solution if you're looking for something. If you're looking to quickly put down a patio in an area, these rubber tiles, except for being a little bit pricey because they are a little bit costly, I think they work out pretty good. All right, YouTube. I like these rubber pavers so much, I've actually expanded it, and I actually wound up covering this whole area with them. I bought some more. Somebody was selling them online, so I picked them up and I added to it. If you have an area you want to cover, these things work out really good. I think they look pretty nice. You literally just slap them down. They're easy to put down, so I think they're a good solution. At least they work well for me. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.